Hi everyone. In the society, we see various differences in people when considering their mental features as well as physical characteristics. So, from this video, I am going to discuss with you about various human qualities. Nobody is completely good or completely bad. We all have to build up a successful human life by changing our qualities to better ones. Optimistic, Subhavadi. Pessimistic, Asubhavadi. Egotism, Ahankarakama. Arrogance, Manaya. Hollowness, Kuhakakama. Cruelty, Napurukama. Greediness, Masurukama. Guttles, බියගුළුකම, jealousy, ඊර්ෂාව, voracity, බඩජාරිකම, unsuitable, නුසුදුසු, militant, යුදකාමී, slovenly, අපිරිසිදු, ready, සූදානම් සහිත, faithful, භක්තිමත්, fearless, නිර්භය, helpful, උපකාරක, modest, නිරහංකාර, sneering, ගරුසරු නැති, timid, බියගුළු, bravery, නිර්භීතකම, honesty, අවංකකම, patience, ඉවසීම, humanity, මනුෂ්‍යත්වය, versatile, බහුශ්‍රත, loving, ආදරණීය, impartial, මධ්‍යස්ථ, emotional, කලබල වන, madness, පිස්සුව, loyalty, පක්ෂපාතී බව, lowliness, නිවටකම, stupidity, මෝඩකම, angriness, කිපෙන සුළු බව, flexible, නම්‍යශීලී, stubborn, මුරණ්ඩු, extrovert, සමාජශීලී. So, I think these qualities will be very helpful you to describe people we oftenly meet in the society. Let's build up good qualities more than the bad qualities in us. Have a nice day.